Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq 12 volt or 24 volt white SteelHead LED work light with the spot beam. Now this is a rectangular LED work light which will provide a nice bright white light for industrial, agricultural, and recreational applications. It does offer a spot beam which gives you focus light for seeing at a distance, so it is great for work trucks, utility vehicles, and even fishing boats. It is a nice sealed waterproof housing and lens unit. It is IP68 rated, and if you notice it has a clear lens over two white LEDs. They are premium LEDs which are energy efficient, long lasting, and vibration resistant. They're rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. And they use a military grade construction of the circuit board of this light. Uses urethane potting to give you better protection than common epoxy potting. And it has a thermal regulation which will protect against overheating. You can see the finish on this light is a nice durable white powder coat aluminum housing to resist corrosion. It is compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems, and it is a very easy installation. You can see it's a single bolt pedestal style bracket, and it uses stainless steel hardware, which is all included for installation. And what's nice with this bracket is when you tighten it down, it will let you adjust the angle of the light as needed. Now it does hardwire to your application. You can see there's two wires, power and a ground, and the wire length they give you is about 9 inches. Now I am going to hook this up to some 12 volt power to show you how bright it is and the design of the light. First I want to give you overall dimensions. The length of it, one end to the other, is right at 3 inches. The overall height, 2 inches tall, and the total depth right at 2 inches deep. Light output is 750 lumens, power draw at 12 volts, 0.52 amps, at 24 volts, 0.26 amps. So again, what I'm going to do is go ahead and hook this up. And then once we get it hooked up, we'll go ahead and turn on the power. As I turn that power on, you can see how bright a light it is. Very bright light. What I am going to do is turn off the overhead lights, and you can see with the overhead lights off. And actually what I want to do is give you an idea of the spot design. So what I'm going to do is just zoom out again and sort of turn this light around, and just so you can see on our back wall right there, you can see the design it gives is a spotlight, spot beam design. And again, very bright light. Go ahead and zoom back in. Go ahead and turn back on the overhead lights. And I'll go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq 12 volt and 24 volt white SteelHead LED work light with the spot beam.